Welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to use your Reddit on your mobile. So watch this video till the end. First, you have to download your Reddit from your Play Store or App Store if you have an iPhone. Right now, let's move to the explanation. Open your Reddit. For example, me, I have a Reddit account, so it will take me directly on homepage. If you don't have, you just have to sign up or log in. It's very easy. Just use your email. Right now, it's opening here on my homepage. Here you can choose all. You can find all the posts or communities. So everything, and if you wanna refresh it, just do like this, like swipe up. Right now, if you click here, you will find many options. Here, if you click, you will find your profile, and from here you can edit your profile, like your name, your bio, if you want to add a social link, and also if you want to add an image of your profile. So also we can find here like saved posts, history, and settings. Here on settings, you will find general settings here and account settings. In account settings, guys, you can switch account. Here you will have all your settings of your account. If you want to change your gender, your location or country, manage notifications and everything. Here also you can manage your advertising category sensitive, like I don't want advertising for alcohol, I will just disable it. Also, if you want to delete account, you can find it from here. Now I will back here, general settings, like if you wanna turn on dark mode or turn off it, everything you can find it here also. Also, if you wanna change your style avatar, you can find it here. Yeah, so from here, edit, it's free. Here it's paid, you have to pay to choose this avatar. Here, when you click edit, it's everything, it's free. And right now, here we found community. If I want to create a community or join a community, for example, I want to join this community, I will just click here, join. And if you want to search for some community, just search on here. If you want to create a community, click here and click create a community here, and you have to complete the other steps. It's very easy. Also here you can add or create a post. Just choose the title, the body text, select a community and click post. And here you can find like your shots. And also here you can find your messages, your notifications and messages. And also from here you can add a new shot or send message to someone. For example, I will choose this account. I don't know. Just search for the person that you want to send him a message and send him. And that's all. The application is very useful. You will not have any problem to understanding it. And that's all, guys. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.